In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change views in Smartsheet. If you want to work more efficiently in Smartsheet, one of the most useful things to understand is how to switch between views. Different views help you see the same information in different ways, depending on the kind of work you're doing. For example, sometimes you may want a spreadsheet style layout for entering data, while other times you may need a visual timeline or a calendar-based layout to better understand deadlines and progress. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet you want to view. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before changing anything, since the view you choose will affect how that specific sheet is displayed while you work. Once your sheet is open, go to the top toolbar. This is where Smartsheet gives you access to several layout and display options. Look for the view controls because this is where you can switch between the available formats. From there, choose the view option that works best for your needs. Smartsheet typically offers options like grid, Gantt, card, and calendar. Each one is designed for a different style of work, so it helps to know what each one is best used for before making your selection. If you want a familiar spreadsheet style setup, select Grid View. This is a great option when you're entering information, editing rows and columns, or reviewing detailed data in a structured format. It's often the most straightforward view for day-to-day sheet management. If your work involves project planning or tracking task durations over time, select Gantt View. This view helps you visualize your project timeline and see how tasks are scheduled across days or weeks. It can be especially helpful when you need a clearer picture of dependencies and overall progress. If a more visual workflow suits your process, you can select Card View or Calendar View. Card View is useful when you want to organize work in a board-style format, while Calendar View is ideal for seeing tasks and dates laid out on a calendar. These views can make it easier to manage work based on status, timing, or scheduling priorities. After selecting the view you want, you can either save your work if needed or simply continue working in that selected view. The key thing to remember is that you can switch views whenever your workflow changes, so don't hesitate to use the one that makes your tasks easiest to manage. That's it. Now you know how to change views in Smartsheet and choose the layout that best fits the way you work.